Hello everyone, welcome to QCar TV where we look at all the cool stuff. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Kakusiga KSC-1498 cute mobile phone holder for the car. So yeah, this is the box. KSC-1498, that's the original genuine sticker. Yep, KSC-1498 Tongya series. This is how it looks like, the back, and information of the multi-language. This is some diagram of the product. Yeah, it's like a place to hang the box. Now we're gonna open up the box and we're gonna try to peel off the sticker. It's very tough to open it. Just need to poke the pen in here, try to get it out. Alright, a little bit more. It's a bit tough, but it's good that they actually put a very strong sticker. You know, it keeps the product sealed and protected. So yeah, it's good. So we're gonna open up here, and then I forgot to open the other side here, so we're just gonna try to peel it off. Yeah, just try to peel it off. I'll get the sticker off. Alright, success. Alright, gonna open the box and then we're gonna look inside. What do we get with this Kakusiga KSC-1498? So there she is. The box is empty. And we get the holder for the phone, and we also get like the mechanism that to carry the phone holder here. It's a very nice plastic, shiny plastic, and this I think that's like a angle kind of thing. I'm not sure what it is, but when you put your phone down, it's like gravity. Yeah, it uses gravity to hold the phone together. Now this is the neck of it, so yeah, holds the holder in it. It's very sturdy. It's made of very quality plastics, and there's like a lever here where you can actually turn it, and then it can adjust the height of the product, and then you just unscrew here, so you can put the ball in, and then just pull in here, and then screw it back. Yeah, nice and tight. And then you can also like adjust it up and down, 180 degrees, left, right, up and down, which is nice because when you put it on the windshield in the car, you can actually adjust that. You can also adjust the length of the head, the length of the head, the length of the neck, so you can adjust it, even makes the whole product even look bigger now. You know, looks longer. And then you can adjust at the back here. It has about three stages of adjustment: the top, the middle, and then the lowest part. And then you can screw it, just twist the lever back, and then it will go back together again. You have this peel off the plastic here. We have the suction cup, and yeah, it's very sticky. Yeah, very sticky, like it has some glue on it or something like that on the rubber. But yeah, the base is huge. It's really big. And yeah, we're gonna try and stick it on the table here. Yeah, after you hear that click, it's so strong. Look, yeah, shaking the table. It's so strong. I'm shaking the table with just holding the product. Look at that. Wow, look at that. I'm shaking my whole table. My table is like almost like what, 25 kilos. I'm shaking the table. It's so strong. It's amazing. there's like a lever that you have to pull, and it will just come loose. And you have to pull the rubber out, so you can pull the suction cup out, let the air come in, and then it won't leave any stickiness on the table. But yeah, really amazing. So I'm gonna try it again one more time, so I can show you with the phone in it. So just put it there, put it down, boom, boom, we're done. And it sticks. It sticks like a shoe, or better than a shoe, you know. A shoe, if you shake your shoe will fall off, but this, no. It's so strong. And then you can move it around whichever angle you want. I ought to turn it around, because if you put it in the car, it'll be like, I'll put it upside down. Then you can put your phone here, like my phone. Just like example. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, it's good. I mean, it really nice. The quality plastics, the adjustment, the suction cup is very big diameter. Really nice. I should check this one out, because I got it for a good deal online, and I just want to share with all of you, see how great this thing is. But I'm just satisfied. I'm satisfied with this thing. It's very good. See, if you're wondering how strong it is, this is how it looks like. It's strong. It sucks it to the glass. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.